Hello students, welcome in your English class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic of English grammar. It is a very important topic in English grammar and it is narration, direct and indirect. First of all, we will learn about what is narration. Okay, act of reporting the words of speaker. Narration is the act of reporting the words of speaker. There are two types of narration, direct and indirect. Okay, direct speech. Direct speech, actual words are quoted. Actual words of the speaker is direct speech. Example, here the actual words of the speaker is called direct speech. And one thing another you must remember about direct speech, enclosed in inverted comma. You must remember that direct speech is always enclosed in inverted comma. Indirect speech, actual words are changed of the speaker. The actual words of the speaker are changed. This is called indirect speech. And another thing you must remember about indirect speech, okay, indirect speech is not enclosed in inverted comma. Here is the example of direct speech. She said to me, comma, inverted comma. Okay, I am playing. Okay, the words of the speaker, I am playing, these are put in inverted comma. Okay, say to is here reporting verb and I am playing is here reporting speech. Say to reporting verb, I am playing reporting speech. So there are two parts, reporting verb and reporting speech. Now, indirect speech. Indirect speech, he said to me, I am playing. Okay, and how we have to change the actual words of the speaker. She said to me. Okay, we are talking about here just only reporting speech. How we have to change the actual words of the speaker. The actual word of the speaker are here I am playing. So we will change the actual word of the speaker, or we will convert direct speech into indirect speech like this, that she was playing. We have changed the tense of direct speech, or we have changed the words of the speaker. Okay, come to the next. Here, next you must remember things you should learn, things you should know about direct speech. Okay, there are three things you must remember. First, you must remember about subject and object. Okay, then first person, second person and third person. It means you must remember about pronouns, and then you must remember about tense. How you will come to know about subject and object? Sazia said to Johan. Okay, here Sazia is speaker and Johan is the listener. So Sazia is here subject and another person who is listening, that is object. Point of view. Okay, what things you must remember? First person. Now we are talking about persons. There are three kind of persons: first person, second person and third person. First person, second person and third person. Suppose there are two persons in a room and they are talking about another person that is not present in that room. Okay, so the person who is talking is the first person The person who is listening is a second person, and the person whom we are talking about that is not present on that time, that is a third person. Okay, there are three kind of persons: first person, second person and third person. First person, I, my, me, we, our, us, and mine is also first person. Second person, you, your, yours. Third person, he, she, it, they, them, their. Now we will discuss about the tense. What is a tense? Time at which the action performed. Okay, time at which the action is performed is called tense. There are three kind of tense: present, past and future. Okay, and each tense has a three subpart: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous tense. So there are three kind of tense, and each tense has four part. So total tense are here 12. How we have to change RV? Reporting verb. Say to change into in simple sentence. Say to change into told. Said will remain said. Say to tell, and says to will change into tells. Okay, you must remember the sixth step. You must to change direct into indirect, you must follow sixth step. Okay, before we are talking about sixth step, you must remember how you have to change the pronouns. First person change into subject, second person change into object, and third person no change. So you must follow the formula FSON. Okay, now we will discuss about the 6 steps. Okay, first step, 6th step. Here there are 6 steps. Okay, you must follow the 6th step. First, identify. Second, change of reporting verb. Third, replace with that. Okay, by removing inverted comma, we must replace with that. Third, change of pronoun. And fifth, change of tense. And sixth, update time specific word like now, then, here, there. This such type of words are called time specific word. Okay, these 6 steps you must always remember to change direct into indirect. Okay, now we will discuss about one by one. Okay, we have already discussed about reporting verb, identification, identify, reporting verb, pronoun, and now we are going to discuss about tense. Present tense, simple present changed into simple past. Present continuous tense changed into past continuous. Present perfect tense changed into past perfect. And present perfect continuous tense changed into past perfect continuous tense. Now it's time to learn about past tense. Simple past change into past perfect. Past continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. These are unchanged. These will remain unchanged. There will be no change. Okay. Now come to future tense. Future tense, simple future, only will and shall. Will change into would, and shall will change into should. And may, might and can, could. Okay, student? Now we will discuss next step, update time specific word. Time specific words are given here. Here change into there, tomorrow the next day, today that day, yesterday the previous day. Okay, this, that, now, then, tonight, that night. Subject, object. Okay, then you must remember in identification, subject object, reporting verb, first person, second person, third person and tense. Now see here, example is in front of you. Okay, it will be more clear after reading the example. Okay, example is here. He said to me, I am playing football with you now. Now you must identify subject, object, reporting verb. Okay, then I is here first person, was I am playing is present continuous tense and you is here second person. So are we is said to, reporting verb is said to, then we will change it into told. Okay, I is here first person, so we will convert it into subject. Then it will convert into she and you is here subject second person. Then we will change into object. Then it will replace with the me. Okay, is am are change into was were. Present tense is here, present continuous tense change into past continuous tense, and time specific word now is there and we will change it into then. So your sentence will be, okay, indirect speech will be, she told me that she was playing football with me then. See the next example. They said we will plan a picnic tomorrow. Here they is here subject, reporting verb said, we is here first person and here will plan is here simple future. So we will convert it like this. They said that they would plan a picnic the next day. Now it is a important sentence, so you must also listen it very carefully. The teacher said to the student. The teacher said to the student. The teacher is here subject. Say to reporting verb and the students are here object. Okay, see the reporting speech. The sun rises in the east. It is in simple present and it is also a universal truth. Okay, if your reporting speech is in universal truth or habit or facts regarding geography, math, science, then there will be no change in reporting speech. Okay, so how you will change? First of all you identify and then you will change the reporting speech. Okay, now reporting verb, in reporting verb said to is changed into told. Replace with that, inverted comma, replace with that. Now your sentence will be, the teacher told the students that the sun rises in the east. You know very well that the sun is here third person, so there will be no change in person. But rises in the east, the sun rises in the east, it is a universal truth. Okay, if RS reporting speech is in universal truth, habit, facts, then it will be remain unchanged. Now second thing, when reporting speech will be not change. Okay, now he says to me, I am running. Okay, he says to me. First of all, identify. He is here subject, says to reporting verb and me is here object and I is here first person. And which tense is here? Present continuous tense. Okay, now change reporting verb, says change into tells. And if reporting speech, if reporting verb is in present or future tense, present is says here, so reporting verb is in present tense, then the tense of reporting speech will not be changed. Okay, he tells me that only persons, we have to change only persons a person of reporting speech. If reporting verb is in present and future tense, then we have to change only persons of the reporting speech. There is no need to change the tense of reporting speech. So indirect speech will be, he tells me that he is running. Okay students, now come to the next. We have already discussed about the 6 steps. Subject, object, we have discussed already about the identify. Okay, how we have to change reporting verb. Okay, 6 steps we have already done. And how we have to change the tense, update time specific word. If you like this, okay, then like my video and share. Now next, we are going to discuss today about interrogative sentences. How we have to change interrogative sentences. Now change it logically. First of all, we will discuss about interrogative sentences. How many type of interrogative sentences? Okay, 2 things you must remember about interrogative sentences. First, ask a question and then ends with question mark. Okay, what is the identification of interrogative sentences? Ask a question and ends with question mark. There are 2 type of interrogative sentences: direct question, yes no questions. If begins direct question begins with a question word, WH family, what, when, where, how. Okay, example is here, why is the sky blue? Then it is a direct question. Okay, yes no question, you have to answer only in yes or no. Okay, yes no question begins with helping verb, is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did. Okay, such type of helping verb we use to prepare yes no question. Clear beta? Now let's relearn about steps to convert a direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, how we have to change. Okay, see the example. She said to me, what are you doing now? First of all, identify. Subject is here she, say to reporting verb, and me is here object. In reporting speech, you is here second person and tense present continuous tense. This is the identification. And now come to the next step. Reporting verb. If reporting speech is in question, then question statement, then you must change reporting verb said to into asked. Okay, now if WH family question statement starts with WH family, then there is no need to replace with that or if. Okay, so she asked me what. We will start. Okay, there is no need to replace inverted comma with that or if. Start, okay, with the same word. With question word you have to start reporting speech. And you will be changed into I. Clear? Is, am, are change into are doing change into was doing. Now how we have to change direct into indirect speech. She asked me what I was doing then. One thing you must remember, okay, that if reporting speech is in question statement, question is there, then you must, while changing direct speech into indirect speech, okay, there will be simple statement and put only just full stop after it. Question statement change into a simple statement and at last only put full stop. Now another example, it is the example of yes no question. The teacher asked. If reporting verb is in asked, then there will be no change in reporting verb. Asked, remain, asked will be remain same. The teacher asked the student, does the sun rise in the east? Here, see student, it is a reporting speech is here, reporting speech is here in universal truth, or it is a yes no question statement is here. So how you will change it? Okay, if reporting speech is in question statement and it is also start with yes no question like helping verb, start with helping verb do, does, did, is, am, are, was, were, then there is need to replace inverted comma with if. Okay, you must remember we have to change. How we have to change reporting speech? Let's see. The teacher asked the student if the sun rises in the east. The sun is here third person, so third person no change. But here we have not changed the tense of reporting speech. Why? Because reporting speech, the tense of the reporting speech is in which tense? Present tense, but we have not changed. Why? Because it is universal truth. Okay? Universal truth. In universal truth, there is no need to change the tense of reporting speech. Another example is also in front of you. If reporting verb is in present tense, okay, or future tense, then the tense of reporting speech, okay, there will be no change, okay, in tense of reporting speech. See the example. He says to me. Do you know Shahid? Says will remains. If the question statement is here, then you will change says into ask. Okay. And now if reporting verb is in present or future tense, here reporting verb present form is here and there will be no change. So direct speech will be here. He asked me if I know Shahid. Now there is a home task. You must practice these sentences. This is exercise. Okay, you must reply. First, they asked us, are you Indian? He asked her, why is the baby crying? Third sentence, she said to them, would you like to join me for a walk now? Now, there is a revision. Okay, you must remember, first thing you must remember, there are two type of question sentence, indirect or yes or no. Indirect question statement start with WH family and yes no question begins with the helping verb. Second thing you must learn, step to convert direct speech into indirect speech. Statement. Okay. These steps, 6 step and 7 step you must learn about interrogative sentences. In simple sentences we have to follow 6 step and in interrogative sentences we must follow 7th additional step. And 7th additional step you must remember, okay, convert question into statement. Convert question into statement. Question, okay, there is a question mark in direct speech and when you have to change direct speech into indirect speech, then put just only full stop. Okay, how you have to change reporting verb? Say to, ask to. Say to, asked. Says or says to, asked. Says to or says to, ask. If says to is there, then ask. If says or say to, then change into ask. Okay, you can change into further inquire, suggest, inform. Okay, if reporting verb is in ask, asked, asked. Okay, and if there is a universal truth, facts are here in reporting speech, then there is no need to change the tense of reporting speech. See this and you have to follow this. A next example I want to share with you. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, will you listen to such a person? Here see, he is a here subject, say to reporting verb, her is here object. And question start with, it is a not a WH family. Some student got confused regarding this. They considered it a WH family, but it is a not a WH family question word. It is a will, and will is a future tense. So you is here second person. So just let's learn how we have to change this. Okay, first of all you have to change say to into asked, then replace if, replace inverted comma with if, you will change into she, and will change into would. Okay, now your statement will be, and your specific time word is here. Which is a specific word? Time here is there. Okay, now you have to change like this. She asked if she would listen to such a person. Okay, it's clear beta? Now another example is also here. She says to me, do you know Shahid? Okay, we have already discussed about this sentence. So exercise, you must do exercise and you must complete it very nicely. Okay beta? Thank you. Have a nice day.